Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, TravelingGunn. My name is Thomas. Today I begin a 5-day trip. Today I start off with a deadhead, and then I go to JFK and then to Northfork, and I end in Northfork tonight. So late start, but I still end early on go home day, so that's what we like. We don't like late starts and then late finishes on go home day, but everything is going to be late. Today is election day. Finally, I can stop getting the text messages after today. What van is that? That's the north side. I can't go there. But today, hopefully everybody voted. I voted because there was something on the ballot locally that would have affected me as a homeowner, capping off how much the value of my home. Most people don't know that there's a lot of things on there that just does not pertain to the president and vice president. There's also like the local elected officials that will affect you every day. So hopefully, we're done with that, and whatever the results are, that's just what the results are, and hopefully everybody can build a bridge and get over it if your candidate did not win. And we can stop all this hate and this division and just understand that we all are people and we all want the same exact things. That's just my opinion on it. Whatever. But other than that, that is all that I have for you today. No new update for us as far as our social media policy, like mainline. So who knows what's going to happen from here on out. But I'll see you guys tonight once I get to Northfork. Oh, by the way, I do have 2.5-hour sits in between my flights. So there we go. Hello everybody, I'm here in Northfork. I had to keep the lights off so I can show you this view again of the water or whatnot of my hotel room. So I'm about to turn on the lights, so adjust your eyes, watch your eyes, because the light's gonna come on real quickly. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, let me see what I gotta do to get these lights to work. Okay, here we go. So we got the lights to work. Here in Northfork, today's 2 flights were very uneventful. Nothing really happened. I was gonna work out, but it's going on 11:30. I'm gonna make up this workout that I'm supposed to do sometime in between, because I think the Chattanooga, I don't leave until 5, so I'm gonna work out twice there. I'm gonna get ready and take a shower. Eat a little something, because I haven't eaten since I left the house today about 10 o'clock this morning. And just watching TV. Done with politics, done with worrying about the election. I'm glad this is going to be over with after today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for day 2 of 5. Good morning, everybody, from Northfork. Today is day 2. It is I believe it's a 4-leg day today. Not too much. I go back to JFK to Charlotte to LaGuardia, and then LaGuardia to Chattanooga. So that is my day today, in about 10 o'clock tonight. I meant to ask you all, I was like, even though I've stayed in these rooms before, do y'all want to continue to see the room tour, even though I've stayed in it before and show the room tour in other videos? Just let me know in the comments section below. But other than that, I slept really well last night, and woke up pretty much. I got a phone call about 9 o'clock, I think, and it was a spam call. So that woke me up before my alarm, and I just said, you know what, just might as well get up. I got enough sleep. But other than that, I'm finna get ready and go down to the show. I'll see you guys once I get to Chattanooga tonight. Hey everybody, I've made it here to Chattanooga. Today's 4 flights, okay. We weren't too heavy on a lot of our flights, but coming to Knoxville, New York is going to be New York. We had a light load. It was like 30 passengers, so we boarded early so we could leave early. Got the approval to leave early, right? Come to find out, as we were boarding, there was a ground stop in LaGuardia, and I was like, I'm looking outside, there's no weather, but the ground stop was because the ATC radar, which is air traffic control, radar went down. So, but that didn't take long. By the time we were done boarding, it was back up and everybody was going. And then we had a maintenance issue where we had to get maintenance to come out to defer a light in the flight deck or whatever. So we close up, go and taxi out. Next thing you know, captain calls back and said, hey, we have to go back to the gate because the paperwork was wrong. So we were taxiing about maybe 15, 20 minutes. Then we go back to the gate, finally close up. And as we're getting ready to land here in Chattanooga, the captain calls back and said, hey, we have an alternate of Atlanta because the visibility in the fog. And long story short, we ended up landing. But had we left when we were supposed to leave, we would have been in Atlanta right now instead of here in Chattanooga, which for me, that would have been perfectly fine. I would have went home and had a late report. But for the passengers, not so much. But other than that, that's it. It's midnight. We were supposed to be here at 10:05. But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow's, like I said, my van time is 3:49. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3. Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Today is day 3. Got up about 9 o'clock, went and ate breakfast. Probably should have stayed in because to me the breakfast wasn't worth me getting up. But nothing, neither here nor there. But I did get the fruit. The fruit was really good. And I worked out today and went back and laid down for a little bit. And now I have 2 short legs. Chattanooga to Atlanta, sit for about an hour and 45 minutes. And then Atlanta to Columbus, not Ohio, I was going to say Ohio, Columbus, Georgia, which is another 20-minute flight. So 2 short legs. I'm in the back. I have no service. But I always go up to ask my flying partner, do they need any help passing out snacks or anything like that when I'm working the back on a no service flight. We got some good news today. I'll share that a little bit later on. But other than that, I'll see you guys once I get to Columbus tonight. Everybody, quick update. We're delayed maintenance issue. As we was taxiing out, the ground crew noticed that we had fuel leak, something leaking from our landing gear. So we pulled back in. They've already taken off the Columbus flight from me, and I just can go home. I've canceled on base. That just depends on when we get to leave out of here. Maintenance hasn't showed up yet. And then I don't report till tomorrow until 2 in the afternoon. So we're gonna see what happens if I go back to the hotel or if it can be fixed and we get out of here. We don't know yet because maintenance hasn't made it. So I'll keep you updated. Hello, everybody. Today is day 4 of my 5-day trip. I got home about 9:30 last night, and went to took a shower and went to sleep. So today is just the Alexandria turn, and then I end in Fort Wayne, and then tomorrow is just 1 leg. I did head back from Fort Wayne to Atlanta. I'm gonna try to get up and get on the early flight. Hopefully there's seats. I'm gonna look tonight. I don't want to jinx myself, so I'm gonna look tonight and then check again in the morning, because there's only 2 flights out of there that morning. Is the early morning flight, and then there's my original deadhead at like 11 o'clock. So hopefully I won't be able to jump seat because it's on a different regional carrier, so I can't jump seat. So I have to hope there's a seat open for me. But I'm finna get ready and go to the gate. I'll see you guys once I get to Fort Wayne tonight. I made it here to Fort Wayne finally. It just seemed like it took us forever. Those 3 flights seemed like so long. Don't know why. We're basically full the entire 3 flights. So, but other than that, nothing actually happened. And then I remember I said, I'm excited about some news that I can tell you. I can't tell you because the news is not public. So I can't say anything. I do apologize about that, getting y'all hyped up. I didn't think about it until after I said it. And now I can't tell you all because it's not public information. So, I'm sorry. But tomorrow I have a 5 o'clock van because I'm gonna get up and get on an earlier flight. Tomorrow's my son's birthday as well. He turns 12. So, I wanna get home as early as possible, do some things with him, and enjoy the 2 days that I do have off. And then I start another 4-day, then 1 day off after that. And then it's Thanksgiving. So, no, then I have a 5-day and then it's Thanksgiving. So I'm finna get ready and lay it down, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for go home day. Hello, everybody. Made it here to the car. Didn't get much sleep last night. I actually kept hitting snooze too much on my alarm. And when I finally woke up and looked at the time, I only had 15 minutes to get down to the van because they weren't waiting on me because it wasn't my crew. It was the airline that we were taking, other regional crew that was going. And I ended up making it on time. But other than that, I'm off for the next 2 days. Then I start a 4-day. Then I have 1 day off, and then I start another 5-day. Then it's Thanksgiving. Today, like I said, it's my son's 12th birthday, so we're gonna go home. We'll go home, do something with him later on today, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. As always, hug on the ones that you love. Tell the ones that you love them. I'm out.